How to automatically rotate 3D model in PowerPoint. So if you want to automatically rotate a 3D model in PowerPoint, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your PowerPoint application. After opening your PowerPoint, go with a blank presentation. Now once you're on your presentation, if you want to insert a 3D model or if you want to automatically rotate a 3D model, then first you need to go with insert, which will be in the top left, and then go with 3D models. And now go with the second option, which is stop 3D models. Wait for a few seconds till it loads. And once you have all of these options, go and select any model that you are comfortable with. Like for example, I'll go with animated. Once you have the 3D models, go and select the model, click on it, and then go with insert. It might take a bit of time. Now, if you want to rotate this model, then what you need to do is just select the model. You can also just increase its size if you want to. And now you need to just go with transitions, which is on the top left, or just simply go with the animations. From the animations, you need to go with turntable. Once you click on it, as you can see that your 3D model has started rotating automatically. In this way, you'll be able to automatically rotate a 3D model in PowerPoint. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.